Hey guys, my name is Silla and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 simple hacks I use in pulling off my makeup looks. So if you want to see what that is, then relax and I'll show you.
So first of all is the sharper wing trick. I am using a paper tape for this. I cut it into 2 and apply them by the side of my eye. This trick is to help you get a sharper wing for your eyeliner. Now I'm using my eyeliner and I'm drawing a line at the end of the paper tape, using the paper tape as my direction. Now I'm drawing my eyeliner. Doing same for the other eyes. You can make your wing as thick as you want it to be, as thick or as long as you want it to look. Now drawing my eyeliner. For a more natural look, you can make your eyeliner look thinner. Now I'm taking off the paper tape, and as you can see, the wing looks sharper. No need for any concealing. Next is the mascara trick. For this, I'm using a tissue or a paper or a wipes. I'm placing that under my eye so that I don't smudge under my eye area with mascara. This will help you not have some mascara product under your eye. Now I'm applying the mascara at the top of my lashes for a much fuller effect. You want to raise your brow up so that you can get your lashes properly. And that's it, guys. No smudges. Next is the blush trick. I'm using my lipstick for my blush. So anytime your blush is finished, you can use your lipstick. I'm using my pink lipstick and I apply just a little bit too much. And I'm blending that into my skin using my beauty blender. If you made a mistake like I did, you can go in with your setting powder or your powder and apply them on areas where you made a mistake. I'm going with my powder and blending all that in. You can also do this trick before you apply your foundation or after. It still gives you the effect. That's it. Next is the bronzer trick. You can see if you have a bronzer that's not as sharp as you want it to look, You can apply some setting spray and go in with your bronzer, and it gives you that sharper effect. It makes your bronzer shine more. As you can see the difference between no setting spray, setting spray. So you can do this with any bronzer that's not shimmery enough. I'm applying some to the top of my brows to highlight them, blending some more, going with my powder. Now highlighting my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, my chin. I felt like the highlight was too much, so I went in with my fingers to still blend, which made it much better. Next, the full lip trick. Here, if you have small lips and you want your lips looking fuller, you can just do this by using a dark shade pencil and lining the top or lining the outer areas of your lips. I'm smacking my lips to blend. It looks fuller already. Now I'm going in with my lipstick, my nude lipstick, blending, and now I'm highlighting some areas with the lipstick. And that's it, guys. I'm using my finger to take out any excess lipstick so it doesn't get on my teeth. Applying lip gloss if you want to. Ensure to also apply on the edge so you can have the full lip effect. So that's it, guys. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys next time. So this is it, guys. Bye.